Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Quantum Unicorn. The LeetCode problem we are solving in this video is intersection of two arrays. The intuition behind this very simple solution is to leverage the properties of sets to find the intersection of two arrays efficiently. By converting the input arrays into sets, duplicate elements are automatically removed, and we are left with unique elements in each set. To find the intersection, we can use the set intersection operation, which returns a new set containing the new common elements present in both sets. In this case, the ampersand operator is used to perform the set intersection. Converting the resulting set back to a list is necessary because the problem requires the output to be in the form of a list. This is achieved by using the list function. Overall, the intuition of this solution is to eliminate duplicates, find the common elements efficiently using sets, and then convert the resulting set back to a list for the desired output format. The approach of this solution can be summarized as this. Step 1, convert nums1 and nums2 into sets using the set function. This step eliminates any duplicate elements and retains only the unique elements from each array. And step 2, use the ampersand operator to perform the set intersection between the sets obtained in the previous step. This operation returns a new set that contains the common elements present in both sets. And step 3, convert the resulting set back to a list using the list function. This step is necessary because the problem requires the output to be in the form of a list. And step 4, return the resulting list as the solution to the problem. By leveraging the properties of sets and the set intersection operation, we efficiently find the intersection of the two arrays. Remember, the use of sets allows us to eliminate duplicates and focus on unique elements, while the ampersand operator enables us to find the common elements in an efficient manner. Converting the set back to a list ensures the desired output format. And now let's break down the code and discuss the important concepts related to this LeetCode problem. The code here defines a class named solution that encapsulates the solution to the problem. The class has a single method called intersection. The intersection method takes two input parameters, nums1 and nums2, both of which are lists of integers. The method is expected to return a list of integers. And set nums1 converts nums1 into a set, removing any duplicate elements. And similarly, set nums2 converts nums2 into a set. The ampersand operator is used to perform the set intersection operation between set nums1 and set nums2. It returns a new set containing the common elements present in both sets. And list is used to convert the resulting set back to a list. This is done because the problem requires the result to be returned as a list. Finally, the resulting list is returned as the solution to the problem. The algorithm used in this code is straightforward. By converting the input lists to sets, duplicate elements are eliminated, and the ampersand operator is used to find the common elements between the two sets. Converting the set back to a list ensures the desired output format. The time complexity of this solution is determined by the set operations, which typically have a time complexity of O of n for each set creation and intersection, where n is the size of the input list. Thus, the overall complexity is O of n, where n is the maximum size between nums1 and nums2. The space complexity is determined by the space required for the sets and the resulting list. Since the sets store the unique elements from the input list, the space complexity is proportional to the number of unique elements. In the worst case, if all elements are unique, the space complexity would be O of n, where n is the sum of the size of nums1 and nums2. Understanding and applying the concept of sets, set operations, and list conversion is crucial in solving this problem efficiently. Alright, that's all for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and also please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the bell icon on to receive the latest updates. Happy coding, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.